This new AI tool just replaced my assistant. You know what's worse than a lazy assistant? A lazy assistant who still expects a salary, lunch breaks, and empathy. Well, guess what? I replaced mine with an AI tool, and I haven't heard a single complaint since. Tool, Tascade AI, the ruthless productivity monster. Tascade is like if a project manager and ChatGPT had a love child that runs on zero sleep and pure anxiety. This tool literally plans your day, organizes your tasks, writes your notes, and even generates meeting agendas, all in one window. It's like Trello, Notion, and your conscience, rolled into a single app that never says I forgot. How it works. Yes, you'll use it daily. You open a blank doc, you type, plan my YouTube workflow for this week. Tascade replies, sure. I've created a detailed task list, deadlines, and even labeled them by urgency. You're welcome, human. It even generates full projects from just a sentence. Like, organize gym content plus edit 3 shorts. How grow Instagram, how it's done. Pricing breakdown. Free plan, yes. Includes unlimited tasks, notes, and even AI assistance. Limited monthly credits. Paid plan starts at 5 months if you want unlimited AI usage, basically the cost of 1 coffee or 5 instant noodles. Choose wisely. Using this AI tool made me realize I never needed an assistant. I just needed structure and someone who doesn't leave the Google Doc empty and blame Mercury retrograde. And that's it. The assistant got fired, the AI got hired, and you just saved your brain from burnout. If this helped, hit like. If it didn't, blame the algorithm. Subscribe to this channel or else I'll replace you with AI too. And hey, comment below if your real assistant is still pretending to work on Google Meet.